What's the one thing that all entrepreneurs are good at?
I don't know.
Problem resolving.
Yeah.
And that leads on to this video really.
Yeah.
It's something that we've definitely been working on. We've been testing. How we list, we test margins and everything, and this is to maximize our profits. And we encourage you to do the same thing.
Definitely. I mean, what our sweet spots are may not be your sweet spots. In fact, we found that with a lot of our students. It's because it all depends on the level of your account, where exactly your account is. There's a lot to take into it.
Yeah.
But the point being, guys, is like, so you're starting off your profits quite small because we advise for sales velocity reasons. But as soon as you start getting the velocity, start testing where is it where you're going to be making the most, not necessarily sales, but profit. Because as our accounts have gone on, I actually make a lot less sales orders than I used to. But my profits either stay the same or they actually increase. And the reason being is because the less sales will also mean the less returns, less item not received cases, less everything.
Yeah.
So I've got less issues, same profit.
Yeah.
If not, more profit.
I'd say I've got to point now that because what we do is when you increase these margins, when we've tested, when we've got the sales velocity from when the percentages were lower and now they're higher, I found that because my limits have increased and I can actually put more items on, I've now gone back to getting those amount of sales from before, but with way more profit per item. Yeah. And that's all because I tested. And now we want to build the foundation for you to start this business. Of course, we want to hold your hand, we want to guide you, but we really encourage, and we do this with our students as well, we just encourage you guys to do your own testing as well.
Definitely.
It's going from all the ways from finding different products, testing different ways of listing, finding different ways of staying ahead of the game. But one thing we definitely always encourage is testing those margins, putting an extra % on. Say, for example, you decide to put extra 1% on every time you listed. Try that. See where that sweet spot is. Find where that part is where you don't drop much in sales, but you can see your eSync profits. You can obviously see your overall sales on eBay, but always look at your eSync profits because that's the thing that's going to be an indication that you are still making as much or more money. And again, either with fewer sales or you sometimes have the same and you make more money.
Definitely. And testing may go the other way as well, guys. And
it does. And it has.
Yeah,
it's done for me.
Don't be afraid of it though. Don't be afraid to have to go one step back to then go 2 steps forward. Just always test. In fact, we have an account dedicated to just testing.
Yeah.
It's not even about making money.
I'd say I've got 2 accounts like that.
Yeah. So it's literally we're just trying to find our sweet spot, which is working for us at that time. And then when we've got more listings and more variables to take into account, then it's time to retest. But fortune favours the brave.
Oh, definitely. And it has helped us no end. Yeah. As soon as I started doing the testing, I thought, you know what, I was kind of in my comfort zone, and I realized actually change was a good thing and is a good thing. And we needed to make sure that this business was still going to build, and eBay really does evolve. So why not test those limits, test those boundaries? Yeah, and that's how we, the video we did about list boosting and everything. We wouldn't have found that out if we didn't actually test and trial different times. I tried testing in the day, tried testing in the morning, at night. One of the 2 of them made me have less sales, but then I realised that testing in the listing in the evening and early morning actually works. Bang. And
by the way, guys, we didn't just go off one test the evening worked better than the morning this day. No, we have to consistently do it so that it's proven.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what we've done. But definitely don't stop with the information that we give you on this course.
We want you to fly off with it. We want you to do really well.
Do your own thing.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. And we will continue to do so as well.
Yeah. And remember the supports group there as well. So if there's something you are unsure of, or you do need a little bit of backing just to give you that little extra push, speak to us in the support group.
And any great ideas as well. We're going to be sharing our great ideas. Yeah. We're going to be sharing as much as we possibly can in this course. But let's, because I think community, that's the power of community. If everybody's doing a little bit of everything, then we're all going to be successful.
Yeah.
So
make sure you test those limits.
Definitely. All right, guys. See you in the next video.
See ya.